Alright mga kabudol, nagbabalik tayo dito sa ating Converge tutorial. Pero bago ang lahat, intro muna tayo.
Hashtag Wifi lang.
Alright mga tropa, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano tumawag sa Converge Customer Service. So mga tropa, ito na, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung pinakamabilis na paraan para makontak sila etong Converge Customer Service. Dahil sa email, mahirap silang makontak. Nakokontak naman sila pero 4 days bago sila mag-response. Tsaka dun sa application, so ito ituturo ko kung paano yung pinakamabilis. Ilalagay ko sa description yung link, pindutin nyo na lang yon, and then mapuproceed kayo dito. Subaybayan nyo na lang mga tropa kung paano yung gagawin ko. Meron akong sample, ito panoodin nyo.
Thank you for calling Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. This call may be recorded for quality monitoring purposes. Please note that the information you provide may be used for current and future transactions with us. A copy of our privacy policy is found on our webpage at www.convergeict.com. If you agree, press 1 to continue. Otherwise, press 2 to disconnect this call.
So ayun mga kabudol, no, antayin nyo muna mag-stop yung pagsasalita ng operator bago kayo mag-response dun sa pipindutin yung number.
For residential, press 1. For SME, press 2. For corporate, press 3. To repeat options, press 4.
So dito, pindutin nyo yung number 1 kung residential type yung in-applyan yung internet sa Converge. Bali, ang pipindutin ko kasi dito, number 2, kasi business type yung in-applyan ko sa Converge na internet.
To know more about our services, press 1. To follow up your application, press 2. For non-technical concerns, press 3. For technical concerns, press 4.
So dito sa part na to mga kabudol, ang lagi nyong pipiliin yung number 4. Laging technical concern kasi ang dami nilang paligoy-ligoy kapag iba yung sinelect mo. Bali, based on my experience, no, ita-transfer ka na lang nila at saka mas madali mo silang makokontak kapag ganito yung ginagawa nyo. Subuko na to.
To repeat options, press 5. Please key in your account number after the tone.
Tapos dito nyo na itatype yung account number nyo. Bago nyo pindutin, antayin nyo muna yung beep.
Your account number is
106.
If this is correct, press 1.
Press 1
If
lang
this
mga
is
kabudol.
incorrect, press 2. Press 1 for LOS indicator. Press 2 for modem related. Press 3 for slow speed. Press 4 for others. To go back to previous menu, press the star key.
Dito sa part na to, laging others or press 4.
To go back to main menu, press the hashtag key. For English or Filipino, press 1. For Cebuano, press 2. You may try this initial troubleshooting process to resolve your connection issue. Switch off your modem for 5 minutes, then switch it back on. Check if your fiber patch cord is damaged and ensure that it's properly inserted.
Ito na yung part na mag-aantay tayo kung pang ilan tayo na tumatawag sa customer service.
All our available representatives are currently engaged. Your call will be answered by next available representative.
You are currently caller number 4. The estimated hold time is currently 41 seconds.
If the loss light in your modem is blinking red, select Technical menu. Press 1 for loss indicator and follow instructions on how to create a ticket. No need to talk to an agent. Please keep the ticket number for your reference. Once you get a confirmation that your concern is already submitted,
Huwag kayong maniniwala doon sa sinasabi ng operator, no? Antayin nyo lang hanggang sagutin ng agent.
please refrain from submitting the same concern to different channels for
Thank you for calling Converge. This is Jinx. How may I help you? Good morning po.
Hello? Hello?
Thank you for calling Converge. This is Jinx. How may I help you?
Gandayan Records. Chill lang, relax, ngiti. Chill lang, relax, ngiti, ngiti, ngiti. Chill lang, relax, ngiti. Kahit buhay di ganong padali.
Purchase your tracks today.
Chill lang, relax, ngiti.